While Greg is completing our shelves up above by installing screws through our metal shelf brackets into our wood shelving, I'm in the process of laying out the next part of our project, and that's to build a countertop along the wall that'll run about 7 feet. Now this countertop space will be perfect for the homeowners because it's always handy to have a little bit of space even if you're not using your garage as a workshop. Now the counter will be a little bit wider than the shelf itself, so we'll have to build it a little differently. We're marking the counter height at 36 inches so that we can clear the mini fridge, and the width at 80 inches so that we can hit a stud at either end as we attach our cleat. A vertical cleat on each end will be used to secure a triangular support for the countertop. More 1x4 bracket supports are cut and mounted in the middle, this time every 16 inches on the studs, and the metal brackets are mounted as before. Our countertop, as well as the triangular support, was cut from the same 3/4 inch particle board and painted in advance so that we could simply set it in place, line it up, and screw it down. A 1x2 band around the counter will add strength and cover the raw edges of the particle board. Greg's taking care of some of the finishing touches on our new countertop with puttying up all of the nail heads and screw heads. Now after we completed building the countertop, I decided to add a little something extra. We took little pieces of pine, 1x2 and 1x3, and created these little wood runners. And what this will allow us to do is to put our little recycle bin right under it like this, staying with the theme of keeping everything off the floor we possibly can. And as the need arises, more recycle bin drawers can be established all along the underside of the countertop.